Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. DJI is a company best known for its industry-leading drone technology, but one of its latest products is the Osmo Action Camera, aimed squarely at the GoPro crowd. It's a rugged dual-color screen 4K camera that features plenty of versatility. There are slow motion and time-lapse modes. The image stabilization works very well to take away that shakiness when you're shooting from a bike or hike or doing something even more adventurous. For stills, there are custom exposure settings, including the ability to take a 2-minute exposure for capturing the night sky. The voice control feature is handy as well. The Osmo Action is priced at $379, and while it may not top GoPro's Hero 7 in all areas and our comparisons, it is a worthy competitor. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Cooking with the power of the sun. Hi, I'm Fred Fishkin, here to tell you about the latest innovation from my friend Patrick Sherwin and his great team at GoSun Stove. The GoSun Fusion has arrived using the company's tried and true reflectors and a solar vacuum tube to get you cooking without the mess of charcoal, heavy propane tanks, or smoke. A really bright idea. And with an optional solar panel and battery storage and the ability to plug in at home or on the road, you really can use the GoSun Fusion to cook anytime and anywhere, day or night, rain or shine. I love what Patrick and his team are doing, and so will you. Want to learn more? Head to gosun.co to check out all of the company's products and innovations, and use the code Techstination to save 10%. That's gosun.co.